Alright, I wanted to just go over how to create the portfolios. So if you go under your dashboard, you'll notice there's a bunch of portfolios as a custom post type. But the first thing you need to do actually is create a page. So let's go ahead and create a page, and we'll call this one sample portfolio. Let's call this one images. So let's go ahead and publish this. And you'll want to select page attribute, but we'll get to that later. So the next thing, I'm actually going to add this to our menu, so it's easier for us to find it when we're just showing examples. The next thing we're going to do is go to portfolio and create a type. Let's call this type images, and let's go ahead and call another one landscapes. And I'm actually going to go ahead and actually create another page and call this one landscapes. And this all makes sense. I'm just trying to show you the examples of how to use a portfolio. It's a little bit easier if I show you how to use the full functionality. So now we have landscapes and sample portfolio images, and we can start adding some portfolio items. So let's go ahead and add one. Let's call this one sample portfolio, and just like the blog, we're going to upload an image, and we're going to set it as a featured image. So we click use as a featured image, and then we're going to want to pick what type it's in, and this is just basically assigning it a category. So we click publish, and we also have options for excerpt and then actual content goes up here. So let's go ahead and click update. And now, if I view any of these, nothing's working, and that's because we haven't set up our pages yet. So let's go and go to our page, and let's go to our sample portfolio images. And first we need to select a template. So it's 2, 3, or 4. Let's go and just set up this one as a 4 column. And then under page options portfolio type, we just pick which type we want. Let's go ahead and click images. So let's update that. And now we have everything set up. So it's super easy. And our landscapes, we haven't set that up yet. Let's go ahead and post one to our landscapes now. So under portfolio, let's add new. Let's call this one landscape image. Set it as a featured image. Excerpt. And this one we'll put as a landscape and publish it. And when we go to landscapes, it won't work because we haven't set it up yet. So let's go on our pages, and we'll do the same thing for landscapes. And let's go ahead and just set the page template as a 2 column. And the type, obviously we'll do the landscape since we only have 2. So we have our 2 column in landscapes. So now in the future, if we add any more, examples. So we use a featured image. Also, you can just add a bunch of extra images, and I'll show you how that displays on the single. So you can just drag and drop them in there. If you click save changes, you can adjust the order. But let's go and just have this one be images. Let's publish it. So under landscapes, we still just have one, but under sample, we have both. And if I click on it, you can see it automatically turns itself into a gallery, just like the real estate photos. So this is basically how we can have unlimited portfolios. So there's kind of a 2-step process where you got to create your type and your page and tie them together. But it allows you to create an unlimited amount of portfolios. And the way on the live preview that we assigned the pagination was via child pages. So if I go under pages, and let's go ahead and make under page attributes parent, let's go ahead and make landscapes the parent. Update this. If we go there, you see they automatically paginate themselves. So that's how you can have categories. You just do child parent related.